Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 9 screws on the base cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw or screws. Unlatch the drive and lift it out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and relatch it. Tighten the screw or screws to secure the drive. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the 9 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.